This is a 17, I think, Ford Escape. And I'm going to get code scan out of it. This vehicle, he wanted to borrow my scan tool. I don't loan my scan tool out. I work with him. The network has no access to server. Okay. That's weird. I don't know what that was, but I'm going to do a code scan. But he wanted to borrow my scan tool, and he said it was like no power, real bad. So I said, you know, I don't loan my tools out. And you know, I told him I would scan it real quick for him if he brought it to work, but he said he couldn't even drive it. So he bought all the ignition coils. It cost him like $217 for 4 coils. I told him right off the bat, I said, make sure you save the old coils, because I know you didn't get good ones if you got 4 coils for $217. He said it fixed it for a couple days, and now it's back. So I just want to take a quick look, gather some information, then I gotta go. I'm actually at work, so I gotta go back at work, see if there's any TSBs or anything like that. I believe there's a TSB, something about the firewall cowl or something, has like water will drip past the weather stripping. I forget. I think I had an issue one time on one of these, and that was basically what was going on. It had coils that failed, but okay, camshaft position timing over retarded. Yikes. Crankcase ventilation system not connected. You know what? Let me do, see if this will do anything. Parking brake. Where is the parking brake? It should be. Okay, the brake is on. Test will automatically continue. Okay. Crank engine for 10 seconds. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. What? That's not good. I don't think I have the time right now to check that out. I might have to come back during my lunch break and maybe get set up for in-cylinder testing. That is not good. It's got a hole. He said he replaced the spark plugs too. Door last. At least they're not doormen. I'm gonna start up, make sure I don't hear any like compression loss there, because hopefully he forgot to tighten the spark plug. That would be best case scenario. I don't hear nothing. Okay. That's a bummer. I'm sure number 2 is doing all kinds of funky stuff. That sucks. Yeah. Yeah, number 2 is just dead. It's just dead. How many miles are on this thing? 70,000 miles. Well, I only got 20 minutes. My van's way over there, so I want to get number 2 out. I got this coil out, but I want to get number 2 out, and I want to stick my camera in there, see if I see anything. I don't have much time to get the scope out right now, so I'm just trying to get this done as soon as possible. I only got 20 minutes. This plug is soaked. There is one other possibility, which, if that is what's happening, would be awesome, is maybe the injector is stuck open and it's washing the cylinder. As you can see, maybe it's pretty wet in there. Oh, jeez. Don't want that to happen. Turn the side camera on. Is that going to work? Oh, it's nice and awful looking. Well, there's the valves. Here's the injector. I'm going to disconnect the coils. Hopefully I don't smash it. So okay. Where is it? Oh, come on, camera. Don't die on me now, bro. I spun it around. And, I'm pretty sure the cylinders are washed out. How much time do I have? I got 7 minutes left. Check the coolant. The coolant level seems to be fine, but when I check the oil, nothing. There's no oil on this dipstick. That's not good. There's no oil in it. Plug is fouled out. Cylinder wall is washed.